double the amount of people you reach out to today. Get feedback, listen, take a little bit of time and call somebody and listen. And a lot of times you might say, no, everything's good. And it's like, no, I want you to think of something that would be helpful to us, that whether it's an innovative new idea or just something you think we can improve on. Because I think a lot of times, in customer service, we tend to ask if everything's okay, and we get the nod, everything's okay, and we're done. And I just think that there's always more beneath the surface, but you got to dig a little bit and, get intentional in that respect. But I would also leave them a note to just, hey, how can we innovate? How can we do things differently? Because I think that there's a whole trail to blaze in customer experience that hasn't been uncovered yet, but to blaze a trail, we got to start doing things differently than what's been done traditionally. So, what new ideas could we develop to, get out there and, impact the customer's experience in a different way? Those would be a couple things.